driving from Sedgefield to Knysna, and we're approaching Knysna, so we're quite close. And the reason why I can tell we're quite close, not because I only know the area, is because we actually can smell the fire. And it has been some time already, but we've definitely seen the signs of it. So I'm arriving here in Renendal. This is the place actually where we're going to be staying. I'm quite close by, about 10 minutes away. Look at all these pieces of wood they've been cutting down. Wow, the damage is unbelievable. To see it for myself, I mean, to see the signs and the trees. Wow, I mean, look at that. Wow. Actually at one of these houses. Yeah. Wow. The damages are incredible. I mean, the heat must have been so intense. Give you an idea. I mean, look at that. That's a steel fan. To have everything taken away from you. Your whole life is in your home. I wouldn't know how I would deal with it. Actually standing at Brenton-on-Sea, well, looking down from the road coming down towards Brenton-on-Sea. I'm actually having a look here. It's very windy, but I'm having a look at the damages. I thought it was more just one area, but it's actually on this side as well. Brenton-on-Sea, and I can't believe it. I mean, look at it from all the way down there. All the way there, if you look, and all the way down there. It's absolutely insane how this fire spread. I mean, just show you here, there's actually a house that actually survived it. I mean, check it down there. That house. Don't know how he saved it, but he did a good job. But the extent of the damages, you have to actually see it for yourself. I've tried to show a few different areas and I just haven't covered everything, but this is insane. That's so sad. I feel sorry for all the people in Knysna, everybody around Knysna. Guys, I truly am sorry.